What time I leave Brawling, they call Masicka name.
Anyway, the big mama boss can't touch the back. He make Masicka, look at Masicka.
A few moments later.
Pussy them can't stop you, and if them try to, if them put up a big stop sign, and when the speed limit says 0, we're still moving. Them know it? Eh? Them know blood clot genocide, one side till the landslide, eh boy? What you know now do? Eh? You know say me a madman, you know?
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock? Media Fox.
I don't know Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man, you know what things said. People, we see Tamale run out. You understand? I know, I'm try. I don't know if I try to stir up a thing with him and Masicka, the crux them, but you know, I realize, I don't feel like, say, Tamale can war. I don't feel like, say, Masicka can war. The two man them, alright, with Tamale thing now, in Vice, this, brother, that not gonna work. Come down now, Tamale, not gonna work, bro. Masicka, me no feel him capable. Him just a brother way. As me say, Masicka come like a dog. You pass every morning and the dog a bark off you. So you see when you go right at the gate, the dog just run, go run a back. You know, see him back again. That's just Masicka. But me go play the clip and me couldn't see what I go on. Tamale, go sit down. Go sit down, brother. That nah gonna away, bro. You know, me not think your voice alone, brother, gonna make you lose the war, bro. We see what going with Jamil or Jamil rub you out, brother. But then if I that you go run out with, brother, me see say you try defend the Gaza thing, the cartel thing. But bro, if I saw you go on, bro, it not go work, dog. You go just go, they go flap yourself. See, come remember, you know, Masicka not that lyrically, you know, bro. Him just have hard with it. Maybe he will beat you just with the same rhyme them, the same flow. He will chop some lyrics with the flow them, and just because of your voice. This, yo, Jesus, Sparta, rub out that pass. You understand? But make we see, I don't know if not people like in this time, like from cartel come out, we never die you nothing about Tamale, so maybe I try forward and I try defend the Gaza thing, you know? Yeah.
Why is Sparta? Now? You don't spell the end, hear that? Pull it out.
3-9 boss. Dog. Me see this with Skilly Bang. Bro. One two now on the teeth. Them man just have green teeth, so like, bro, you make you look retarded, brother. That's all me have to say. You look like in junk, you know, fresh out. People, I don't know that voice here. Brother, if this year go run out with song, bro, the only part in the song when you say, yo, you turn Masicka in a mosquito, bro, that's the only thing, brother. Where's that song, bro? All me hear, 39, bro, 39, bro, that, you can't go war with that Masicka, bro. Spartan, you can't go war with that, brother. That now gonna over my fam. You understand? Maybe I forget some Ricola or some halls. You know, some lozenges. Cause bro, me I tell you, brother, that voice it not gonna work. It not gonna work, bro. See, bro, I have to understand how Masicka things stay, bro. Masicka, if you're deep on the shore and you see the crocodile over there, and you just seen two of them, bro. He maybe even move. He maybe even move. Him just dead there, just a look on yourself, brother. I don't know why to keep on a go for Masicka, you know, bro. Masicka don't want war nobody, brother. Him don't want war nobody, bro. Remember him have an album I followed up, you know. You see, so him don't want a war, bro. We see it over the years. The man been running. Masicka can't go war, bro. Him not lyrical, brother. Him just go sing the same flow them, same line them. Him not ready. Masicka can't even counteract, bro. Masicka can't counteract nothing. We not see him skill in a counteracting songs. So that's one of the things too, bro. You see it?
Like this part of the track, with family brawling, they call Masicka name.
Anyway, the big mama bust a can't touch the back. He make Masicka, look like Masicka. Say the real we chop the back.
You know what the worst thing, people? I don't know what's wrong with these artists. Rather than them defend them owner camp or them whatever crew, everybody just run out and defend the Gaza thing. This is why all over the years we no build no fan base, brother. We no have strength for your next man, whatever he might deal with. We no have strength for that, for defend that. One not defend uno self. One not defend a next man thing. Tell me why. Look right now in a dancehall. We no defend cartel the Gaza thing for years. We no promote it for years. What no benefit out of it? Tell me. Like at this moment, what no benefit out of it, brother? We no get nothing out of it, bro. I only get a one little boom hype and then boom dash. We no flap out after, brother. Seeing? So all I wanna do, bro, is just make no sense, fam. If you not do music, bro. This taking up a man war and beefing thing, brother. You feel low for that, bro. You see me self-defense in yourself, brother. And stop defending the next man thing there. Cause what I go do? When I go out there and do war, I defend one another man thing. And then when you look, when you got bluff, boof and flap and get dropped. You understand? And then the career just stop. Do better than that, bro. Tell me the voice you have got, bro, you have got change up the voice thing there, bro. That can't go no war, bro. If you go toe to toe with a brother, you can't sing so, bro. I tell you.
You know what? I'm really fire to pump up the wax.
Tamil, I tell you, put on the Red Bull there, brother. Put on the Red Bull there. Can you see when you go clash? Heart go beat fast. Cause lyrics are jump. The Red Bull there, put it on, dog. The bag of rum drinking, cause it maybe I'll even mash up on the vice, bro. The too much acid and alcohol in my chest. Bro, them thing them sound of vice, I can't go war, bro. You can't, and enough remember say, bro, Masicka no want war nobody, brother. Masicka no ready for war yet, dog. I tell you that. If Masicka did really want war or ready for war, bro, that'd be a long time. Him no want war, brother. As me say, him is just a little puppy where run going back when you pop up at the gate. That's all, bro. Him not do nothing. Him just a throw some little ray for people calling him and that's it. Him not run out. Him not do nothing, fam. You understand? So, you have order for Masicka right now, brother. I don't know where you go with that in a family. Cause right now, Van Cartel come out, the people them just put it back in a Sparta and cage, you know that. So me realize say, oh, you maybe just a father and try defend the Gaza thing, but bro, them days are done, brother. The Gaza people them say them boss for the road. Bro, them just a park on up one side. Them just say they use as a puppet for keep the Gaza thing going, the cartel thing going. No cartel for the road and now. Them don't need one no more, bro. Just bench on, brother. Yeah. That's one of them things them a fan, but the voice ain't gonna work, dog.
Anyway, the big mama was a can't touch the back. He make Masicka, look like Masicka. Saying everybody when we chat him back. Oh, yeah. You know, I'm rapping for you to find the back.
The man say, whatever I'm a fire we make, Masicka look like mosquito. Jaja. Yo, me say the amount of artists will run out for Masicka. I wanna most cowardice dancehall artist in our history, me I tell you. You have man in a real chair, riding king, go in a swamp. Shut up your waters. Diss him. Seeing you have much artists in been a try for alkaline. Seeing him a run. Him a try for get the little back and forth thing with him and Cartel. His king run out. Diss him up. Him not do nothing. Right? So many artists forward out at diss him. Him can't do nothing, can't defend nothing. You understand? Masicka is just a coward. Let me tell you people what make one when me know say Masicka a coward for real. Me see an interview a go on, Masicka Beanie Man and this host brother, right? And the brother will host the panel, seeing I host the show. Or upon YouTube thing. Seeing them ask Masicka say yo, when the clash, like somebody in the chat say yo, when the clash I go happen with you and Alkaline. Masicka sit down like a little boy. Let me tell you when Masicka get loud. Beanie Man go say, that pass. Here when Masicka go say, see it there, see the king talk. See the king talk, them in need. You see this other thing. What I realize with Masicka, him believe in what people say towards him than believe in himself. At that. That's how we mash up him. So this is the thing. When him for run out, for prove and defend him brand, when people say you wanna pay them boy in the mind, yeah, people can easily program and that's the major problem with him. You understand? But people to be honest, me can't see Masicka and Tamale war at all. No sir, me can't see that.
The one a liquor boy that call my size up with it. Hey, you big mama was a can't touch the back. He make Masicka, look like mosquito. So me send everybody when we chop the back. You could have swash the car. He make Maxi black. Just tell me what's a young trust the car. Just move back to that. Father, destroy you know. I wanna lick a boy that call my size up with the eye. Anyway, the big mama was a can't touch the back. He make Masicka, look like mosquito. So then send everybody when we jump the back. You could have swash the car. He make Maxi black. See when he does everybody you can't trust the car. I am not true. They don't matter if I have a Maxi back. If they big off in my gun.
So yes, people, you know, make you see me, make Masicka turning a mosquito, you know. That's what the Spartan boss say, but you see this a warrior at all, people. That's some joke thing this, me I tell you. That's some joke thing this, people. Joke thing. Nobody even not really interested in this for say, yo, brother, Masicka coward, Tamale is just a man with us. No, brother, that can't go war, brother. You can't even counteract in them vice, fam. You understand? Yeah, so right now, bro, you try to defend the Gaza thing, me understand. You know, you try to defend the brand. What not been doing, but bro, it's not really benefiting none of our career, bro, like right at this moment, brother. Cartel their road, bro. The Gaza people, them just focus on Cartel. Them not really business about una, bro. You notice, una drop song see me and them not even talk about it. And I just saw the thing said, yeah, that one you gonna be one little controversial thing, cause you don't know the Masicka thing and, you know, war and, yeah, you know, that a dancehall thing, the clash thing, that's how people want entertainment and things, so. But, bro, this is some joke thing, cause, brother, if you go look over even Masicka answer that, brother, that not gonna away, brother. Masicka not play that, bro. Masicka have Def Jam album for a deed right now and I focus on. Man not play no clash, bro. I tell you, man a coward, brother. Man not do nothing. Man just I see him not gonna answer this, bro. You see me? Yeah, I just saw me see it. But people, when you don't know no media facts, you know, yo, just speak up on the damn self. You see it, stay safe out there, you see me? Yeah, man, it's a blessing, man. That is it.